So, I asked my young friend as I walked into my favorite cafe, "What kind of car do you want?" She had been talking with another friend about wanting a car. "You mean, what's my dream car?" she queried, as her eyes widened and a bright smile came over her face. I answered, "Of course, why settle?" Wanting to help, I offered to share my "How to Attract Your Dream Car" secrets. For anyone else who'd like to have their dream car, keep reading. Attracting your dream car. The process of drawing to yourself whatever you desire, including cars, homes, relationships, and jobs, is the same. Regardless of the object of your desire, the steps are identical. You've likely heard the idea that what you consistently focus your attention on, you attract to you. That's the key. The law of attraction works all the time, in every area of your life, and can be applied to whatever you desire. In this case, we'll use it to attract your dream car. It's important to understand that you're already attracting into your experience, you're just doing it unconsciously. I'm suggesting you harness this incredible power we all have to create the life we want, not to leave it up to chance. 1. What car do you want? If you answered, "Any car would be great," you're going to have a harder time attracting it. The clearer you can make your intention to the universe, the easier it is to attract your desire. What make, model and color? 2. Why do you want it? What will having this dream car do for you? List all the good feelings and experiences, as well as safety and security this new car will give you. Doing this exercise will get your juices flowing and bring your emotions into your desire. 3. Imagine you already have your dream car. This is the most powerful step in the process. It is the secret sauce that's used by virtually every successful person you meet. It is the edge used by most professional and Olympic athletes. Your imagination, your ability to imagine your future as already existing, is the key to its manifestation. Einstein, a pretty smart guy, considered imagination more important than knowledge. Everything begins with an idea, an image of what's to come. Set aside some time each day, preferably first thing in the morning and again at night just before you drift off to sleep. Imagining your desires at bedtime brings them into your dream state where they can be integrated into your powerful subconscious mind, which, by virtue of laws of the universe, must go to work bringing them to you. Treasure map or vision board. 4. Add visuals to engage more of your senses. I've used a technique known as treasure maps, sometimes referred to as vision boards or dream boards, for many years. Basically, it involves making a visual collage of, in this instance, your dream car. It may be as simple as my first car treasure map, which was nothing more than a photo of the car I wanted, and ultimately received. Or you can create a beautiful visual depicting everything you want for your life. You can create mini-maps, or boards, for any part of your life you'd like to enhance. We typically respond more strongly to visual imagery more than other types of stimuli. 5. Ask, what next step will bring me closer to my desire? This is a key question. Too many people ask, how? Don't you think that if I knew how to achieve my goal I would have already done it? Duh. Obviously you don't know how. Asking how shuts your mind down and blocks whatever creative solution you may have been able to come up with. Asking what will produce a response in your mind. There is always a what that you can do. In the case of your dream car, one great action is to get a photo of the car you want, or grab one from the manufacturer's website. I've always liked going to the dealer and getting a brochure that I can cut up and use to create my treasure map. You can supercharge your desire by sitting the car and asking someone to take a photo of you in your dream car. Consider what a powerful image this will impress on your subconscious mind. Please, let me know in the comments below. I would like to really hear your opinion. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot to me. And if you think it might help one of your friends, don't be shy and share this video with them as well. That way, we all can help people we care about to live happier life. And if you didn't do so yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive more informational videos that will improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this How to Use the Law of Attraction to Get Your Dream Car video, and I will see you on our next video.